Welcome back to Pirates Fans TV. Siphethu sisunjani today?
Yaphila njani mfowethu wami?
Siyaphila. Sibonile iPirates idlikhosi iqinile. Uyibone kanjani igame?
It was a fair game. We are happy sikhosi. But phambili we go. Ikhosi aliphela umoya. That's it.
So ni happy kanjani nidliwe kabuhlungu kanje?
Akuthi sidliwe kabuhlungu but it was a fair game. So hence we are happy. Akona motho orekileng coach referee on staff. It was a fair game. Khosi neBhakaniya one blood.
Thibela uhambi yo abuhlungu yo thebetse re Pirates re wina I winne yo.
So iboni jwang game?
Inele mnata tse. Inele mnata o le fela.
So man of the match who was your man of the match today?
Tito. Yeah.
You heard it Mapagania. Tito was the man of the match. Bopa. And
for you vele bengifuna le 3 point vele bengifuna because Sundowns uyabona ngiyengayeka first half and then young beat so kufanele ngisebenze that's why ngize ngifaka ama overall because ngizele ukuthi ngizebushara ngizosebenza so ngisebenzile I'm very happy lokho kwenzeke namhlanje so ngiyithanda iPirates.
Ngiyabona Prachali so ucabanga ukuthi ucoachini akayenze right coming from these past 2 games izesidliwa but namhlanje uyithole kahle yini ocabanga ukuthi uyenze kahle?
Icoach into eyenzile ukuthi uyekile ukufaka ama favorite wakhe ngoba bekanokufaka ama favorite wakhe abuya na kuma room so this time wenze kahle ukuthi afake ischeme vele separate esi strong ukuze si win if bekafaka lama favorite wakhe vele bekungekho la siya khona
akuyoshapo futhi malanga akuyoshapo
ingibutsatha
coach ya rona go malanga go kopa Bobby a rekela coach ya rona eloko tla re sebeletsa go malanga hayi yona ayibehamba kahle kahle ngiyabua mina ngabua
okay ngabu
re tsamaile hantle re shapile team ya rona bohobe ba rona so message for Sundowns re ka udimo re dutse ka udimo re qetile ka khosi o sane re tsamaya ka sekhukhuni re ntse mosebetsi re tsamaya le sekhukhuni o sane up the bucks.
It was a great football team game to watch. So much Kasi flavor, so much skills, so much intensity, so much composure, ball control, everything. It was excellent. The players has to respond from the 2-0 loss, from the 2 loss that we encountered. Emagameni lawandlulile so namhlanje bazile basibonakalisa hayi Mapagania jabulile uyabona nje kwenzakalana.
So Mapagania jabulile kamampela ucabanga ukuthi ucoachini akayenze right from the past 2 games lamesidliwe coming to this one.
Okay. Introduction yaka talent embatha ibe yihle namhlanje so that urile wambusela ku position yakhe i10 wathathwa police wathathwa umremi so it was too much speed ama full back Kaizer Chiefs and right back bebangakhona ukukhuphuka because of ngapha ispeed saka police ispeed saka mremi urile uphakathi umbatha la phakathi uyo mashalako akekho umuntu okhona yeah like bekabaphethe la isisuna icontroller kahle ball distribution yakhe nayo they on that's why Kaizer Chiefs azangidlala we check ikwazile ukudlala from 60 minutes nabathanda ukhipha umbatha naba introduce elinye play then like kalile ukuthi izama ukudlala khona but it was a little too late.
Ngiyaphila futhi kunjani ngijabulile namhlanje ngisuka eThembisa eKaslami so eKaslami eThembisa bathanda iPirates nabantu engiphila nabo bonke ngisendlini bebephika ngibatshela ukuthi ngiyothatha iwini ngashaya isandla ngashaya iPirates so iPirates ngiyayijabulela kakhulu so idefend yayo uMakhawula ngiyajabula ngaye namhlanje into akayenzile uMakhawula into akayenzayo ayenze nakwabanye engaphela amandla indaba okuphela amandla kwakhe angijabuli kahle.
You very Mapagania ajabulile Mapagania bopa.
I just want to take this moment to thank Coach Wadu with the strategy that they played today. The boys, they played very well. They know that they are playing for the best. The starting lineup was awesome from Coach Wadu. You can see that they have read the previous game and make sure that this game they put the middle field and they close Chiefs at the middle of the park. So they didn't have a way to penetrate the defending middle field like Mbata, who was on injury. For the last 2 games, he came back, he demonstrated the leadership quality. I just want to take this moment to thank the technical team, Coach Wadu, for the sterling work that they do. The team, they came, they learn, and they make sure that they win this game. Awesome, there's no referee, a brown envelope, that the Chiefs has portrayed previously, it was a fair game. And thanks to that.
Niyezo Mapagania, so who was your man of the match today?
It was a defending midfielder, Sibelebele. He was very excellent. He took the man of the match today.
You very Mapagania, Papa!
I would say it was a very beautiful game of football. Look, I don't know. There's something that just doesn't make sense.
So you're saying it was not beautiful game of football because Kaizer Chiefs was not there or Pirates was better? Like in what aspects are you basing your statement?
When I drove 690 kilos to come here, I was expecting a Clasico kind of thing. What I saw here was pure gibberish. Look, Vuma has not played 26 games without Bavuma. 26 games without Utawotre. 26 or 25 games without Udupri. You introduce them now. Shiki. We are playing Pirates, you want to play them in a derby. Look, these people are talking. We are the only people that are serious about football. We are the only ones who love this game. Chairman of Kaizer Chiefs, your directors, everyone. These clowns are talking somewhere. They're having their secret meetings. We must drive and waste money. We don't have money. No one is surviving in this Cyril Ramaphosa's economy. These clowns are making fun of us. I'm coming from very far. I work in Coffee Fontaine. There's no football here. Bavuma can never be a goalkeeper. The last time he lost was on the 3rd of May. The 3rd or 6th of May here. Shortly before we beat Pirates in Debe. How can you start such a player now? Why now?
Ngimnandi nje yami. Otherwise I'm happy and yadu ukuthi the way ngibeke ngakhona ne akusikathini ngitala i-stadium but namhla ngitela i-stadium and naligama lami lelinye mayinya shilo swakunanzika jela tafuleni kufana nabalungu ngiyabonga bot mina ngiwinile ngimnanzi ngolala kahle nemfati wami.
So manje njengoba uwina against Kaizer Chiefs ukuwina kwakho kuphindekile.
Kuyophinza futhi. Kuyophinza like ngiwine ngiluze 2 games but then leya manje bekungamelanga ngiluze vele. And cetha lapho ngowina until.
So man of the match yakho mekubani today?
Esan. Man of the match yami mina awuthi ngibeke lentwana le always lentwana Mfukeng uyadlala that boy uyadlala like lo mfana lo amshini na lelinye likhosi lana bra awuthi okay yeah shabra
Ayibona kamnandi. Mina my score prediction was 2-0. Then the boys made me happy. They did 3-0. I thought it was going to be 2-0 for real. Yeah.
So game bele monate too much. Ke leboga makhosi. Bafana ba love and peace bafana ba go hloka mona abaye matseleka nje ka ba khopetse re ba se ba ematseleka because ge ba ka ematseleng aka cup ya tsamaya e ya ko Pitori. So at least the cup e save you ka Soweto.
Do you think we had competition Mara today?
No, there is no competition. Remember, Chiefs ke bana ba rona. Ke ba tshwantsa le EFF like ANC le EFF. Why want to talk so? Bana ba botsamela bra ba tshwantsa ba mamela. Ba se ke ba ematseleng ya motho mogolo. Go gona mo re yang gona. A re batla ba be preacher ba emetseleng. Thank you for Kaizer Chiefs. Re rata ka go fela re mmogo ba fetu re defend the cup gore e ska kae ko Pitori because it tshwantse e remain kae Soweto.
So seems like Meskala coach to like past 2 games. What do you think about his tactics today?
No man, at least uzamile. U understand isilo sarena. I can see Mahopa utseni and o ka cheka Mahopa utso tsena. Yeah. Goal ya tsena ya molatel. Ke ntho re batla. Re batla a fe di player ka go fela chance. Aska khetha di player. Re ba rata ka go fela. Remember rena Mergo rena as the supporters go support a team. Not go khatologanya batho.